Portmore is one of the communities in the Caribbean that has the most young professionals. So says a Member of Parliament for St. Catherine Southeastern, Robert Miller. He says his job is to bring more opportunities for the residents of Portmore and highlighted some of the changes for the area.
I just want to bring opportunities to these young professionals and also the elderly to plan programs that will enhance their lives and to give them an opportunity to do business and to actually stay in Portmore. For Port Henderson Road in particular, that's affectionately known as Back Road, it's my intention to create that area in an entertainment hub. As you know, recently the Minister of Culture and Entertainment, Bobsy Grange, stated that the Jam World facility will be transformed into a mini stadium and an entertainment zone. And I'm looking forward towards that opportunity. The Honourable Everett Warmington, Minister of Works, stated that there is going to be a park in the constituency that I represent that will cater to the entire Portmore. That will be a park similar to that of Emancipation Park with more amenities.
Hailing the recent opening of the Price Mart in Portmore, Mr. Miller is encouraging more businesses and entrepreneurs to see Portmore as the right choice of location.
It's a great idea. You know, we want to move the side of commerce down there. That's without saying that will create more opportunities. And we encourage persons to invest in Portmore. As a matter of fact, as I stated earlier, that Portmore boasts the capacity of human resources. And the human resources are there, but we try to encourage people to own their own businesses. As a matter of fact, you know, Portmore can hold it. You know, it's well poised, it's close to highways, it's close to the byways, the harbor, etc. So it's an area that is poised for opportunity and it's open for business.